All right, Royals, we are still springing it on. And as you can tell by the title, this is a spring/Easter tablescape. As per usual, we are starting with a clean slate. So I'm getting the space all prepped and ready for a beautiful purple rain themed design. Before any styling, the surface and canvas must be clean. So now that the cleaning is done, it's time for fun. How about this beautiful purple rain centerpiece to set the mood? Guys, it alone can stand on this table and be beautifully styled, but you know better. Starting out with these beautiful diamond and pearl placemats, I'm going to lay them as a foundation for my table setting. They are absolutely gorgeous and exquisite. They are from Sparkle Home. I picked them up from Home Goods, but they can be available on Sparkle Home. The centerpiece is a combination of Amazon and Hobby Lobby florals inside a beautiful iridescent vase I picked up from Home Goods. Now that the foundation is set, let's layer on some beauty. How about these gorgeous iridescent plate charters I picked up from Tuesday Morning? We're going to layer on the looks, guys. I absolutely love the theme that I've chosen for this season. And if you haven't already, please check out my living room refresh entitled affectionately Purple Rain. Moving on now to the dinner set. You guys, this beautiful iridescent dinner plates were picked up from Home Goods and they flow perfectly with the theme at hand. So I'm going to get those perfectly placed on the table, adding yet another layer of luxe and elegance. That was my theme for this year. I wanted a royal garden feel, and I think I'm winning. Moving on now to the salad plates, also coordinating with that iridescent dinner plate picked up from Home Goods. As I'm layering on, guys, I am feeling the spring vibes. Getting my centerpiece perfectly placed because I want to continue on with the layers. Guys, how gorgeous are these iridescent? Are you hearing a theme here? Wine goblets. Guys, I picked these up from Home Goods. They are by Rachel Zoe. And they are the perfect addition to this Purple Rain extravagant display. Now, adding to, I found the coordinating water goblets. How perfect is this? So I'm going to place them next to the wine goblets. And I'm loving the palette that I've built so far, but I have to have that splash of color. So how about these lavender beauties to bring in that purple rain theme, layered on with these gorgeous napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. Of course, they tie in perfectly with the placemats. And here, guys, I'm just going to do a cute little Easter bunny napkin fold. I'm simply going to roll up the napkins, leaving the pointy sides out, or in a diagonal, if you will. I love playing around with different napkin folds. It creates interest and definitely become conversation pieces at any place setting. So if you want to spice up your tablescape, give your napkins a little bit of a facelift. We're going to pull that through. We're going to open up the body of the napkin, cross over the tails for the rabbit ears, and there you have it, guys, a cute little bunny themed napkin fold. I absolutely love it. I think it is perfect for the theme at hand, and it flows beautifully with my Purple Rain design. The key is to keep everything cohesive and tell a story. I'm going to place every one of them in their center of the salad plates, and my tablescape is just about complete. And guys, as I'm styling, I'm realizing how much I love putting together beautiful spaces using items that I already had. I shared some of these with you in a haul, but many of them, guys, I purchased over years and just built a beautiful curated look that is all my own. And you too can do the same. It's light, it's airy, elegant, and in my opinion, it is oh so royal. I give you Purple Rain.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and
Well, if it's your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. We would love to have you come along and be a part of this journey with us. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. Now to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Guys, I want you to leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of this Easter tablescape design. Give this video a big thumbs up because it helps the channel out tremendously. Also, guys, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Until then, I want you guys to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourself a blessed and beautiful day. I will see you in the next one.